Hello friends, welcome to Gradeup. Myself Abhishek Shukla. I'm waiting for you all to join this session as many of the people, those who are preparing for different examinations are working professionals. So, if you are a working professional, so how are you going to manage your next preparation that you want? Okay, like if you are posted somewhere at JE position, okay, you want to upgrade yourself to a new designation. If you are unsatisfied at the present level, so what is that you want to opt for? Okay, some people are working in private sector, they want to go to another government or public sector. So this session is all about them. Okay, that how are you going to manage time while preparing for your examination if you are currently a working professional. I welcome you all to this session. So, our RBJE notifications are out and the today's class of Sir is on the next upcoming session. Okay. Come on, I'm waiting for more viewers to join. Today's session is all about how you have to manage yourself. Yes, Jyotish, I'll tell you what are the important subjects for RRBJ. Okay, I'll take over your queries, all the things, the important subjects and all. But let's first go to the session. What the session is all about, it's about effective preparation tips for working professionals. Okay, those who are working or those who are pursuing their higher studies, how they have to be focused for their examination. My dear, I'm unable to tell you that if a score of 75 is safe or not, because it depends upon the zone and it depends upon the number of candidates and the quality of the candidates at that zone. Okay, at that zone of railway. So hope for the best. Yes, I think that the viewers have joined us. Okay, now let's go to the session. What this session is all about? The session is about you have to manage your preparation for the next level. Okay, you are unsatisfied in your present job, so you have to go to the next level of the job. Now, first of all, if you are thinking to upgrade, my dear friends, if you are thinking to upgrade, then you have to have a mindset. You have to have a mindset that I have to do. Okay. If your mindset is very strong, then half of the game is won there. Okay. First of all, be determined from your mindset. Then emotional balance. Okay. Emotional balance means avoid chaos and confusion. Don't be in the group of those people, those who don't have clear thoughts, okay, and those who don't respect your decision to grow. Okay, be away from those people. Social balances. Avoid unnecessary group of people around you. Okay, while preparing for an examination, I'm not saying that you have to be lonely, but you have to be with a group of people. You have to be connected with those group of people, those who have an aim to grow along with you. Okay, those who have an aim, okay, that you want to hit. Okay, so that healthy discussion takes place. Social balance means just the people, those who are saying you hi hello per day, you have to avoid them. Okay, don't have to message and spend many time on the social media. You have to focus on your exams more rather than on the people. Okay, unnecessary people, those who are surrounding you. Physical balance. For any examination, physical balance means that you have to eat hygienic. Okay, the food you have to eat hygienic. Okay, remain healthy. eat hygienic, remain healthy, okay? Because a healthy mind stays in a healthy body. Now, I'm just taking the queries, few queries of the students. Yes, Ramesh sir class is on the next upcoming session, okay? So today we have a general session of effective tips for the working professionals. How many hours we have to prepare daily? Yes, that depends upon the number. Are you dedicating your whole day in preparation, or are you working somewhere or pursuing your studies, higher studies, and then you are working? Hello everyone. Now let's go to the most important part of this session. That is, I am going to tell you that how these 10 things that I will discuss now is gonna change, okay, is going to change your routine and make you titan in preparation, okay? Make you a titan in your preparations. Yes. My dear friends, those who have joined me now, many people have query about the books and all those things. For books, my dear students, I will say that JEE level books you follow, okay? JEE level books you follow, like the books which are from DMRC JEE. In DMRC JEE, go through, solve those topics which are currently in the syllabus, okay? And various other JEE examinations, okay, like previous year JEE questions you solve, and you just know the level, that what is the level of those examinations. You have to align your preparation with this level, okay? My focus is on engineering services. Yes, I'll take your query also. My dear students, in RRB JEE ECE, expected is major chunk will be asked from basic electrical and digital circuits, okay? Basic electrical engineering, which is on the point number 10 in the syllabus, and digital circuit, okay? Digital circuits, it will be a major chunk in your syllabus as expected, okay? So you have to prepare these two very much, and also EDC, electronic devices and circuits, as well as linear integrated circuits. These are most important, and measurements also. Approximately in 100 questions, you can expect 60 plus questions from this place alone, okay? 60 plus questions, it may be 70 plus also. 70 plus also will be from this, okay? This 5 topics, because these are very much important topics. Now, let's move on to the point that how to prepare if you are a working professional, and what things you have to follow, and how to routine up your life. Everything I will be discussing, that how to manage those pressures, okay? Now, this thing I discussed, that first prepare yourself, first prepare your mindset about the competition, that you have to face your examination, and this examination for which you are preparing for is going to change your life, okay? So devote your 100%. First, have a mindset of that. Emotional balance. Avoid unnecessary chaos and stay away from the people, those who make you hyper. Hyper means those who make you excessive sad. So stay away from those people, okay? And social balance. Avoid unnecessary people, okay? When my circle got small, my vision got clear. This is the thing, okay? So avoid unnecessary chaos, unnecessary people, and physical balance. Eat healthy, and stay fit. Meditate, okay, so that your concentration develops. Now, point number 1, if you are preparing for any examination, know the syllabus of the examination, okay? Like in RRB JEE, I will relate everything with the current discussion of RRB JEE, okay? Like in RRB JEE, it is different from GATE. The syllabus is different from GATE. The syllabus is different from ESE, and even the syllabus is different from previous JEE examinations of DMRC and all that, okay? So you have to first go through the syllabus, the 10 subjects, okay, the 10 subjects in those, in the RRB JEE, okay, you have to just go through it and mark the important areas. Like I told you that in those 10 subjects, okay, digital circuit, basic electrical, EDC, LIC, and measurements, EMI, electronic measurements and instrumentation. This will comprise of nearly 70% of the technical subjects. So you have to go through it. You can't ignore these subjects. Okay, so you have to go through this. Now, understanding the syllabus in RRB, no need to go in depth. In fact, you have to cover the wide area. Okay, so understand the syllabus for the examination that you are preparing. Okay. Now, understand the domain by going through the PYSP. PYSP means previous year solved papers. Okay, previous year solved papers are available readily in the market. You have to go through it and analyze the previous questions. Those questions which were asked in the previous year, like in RRB, it was 2015. Go through those questions. देखो उनमें की क्या similarity है. Okay, see the level of those questions. Level कितना है? Okay. In RRB, you don't need to go in depth study. No, you have to be wide in domain. Okay, syllabus wide है. So you have to go through previous year to know the level of the examination, to know the most important topics from which maximum questions are asked. Okay, topics पता लग जाएंगे, level पता लग गया examinations का. That is how a previous year solved paper helps you. Okay, you have to align. And now, measure target by amount of work, not by time. What it means, that suppose take an example of a subject called digital circuit. Today you planned out that you will study combinational logic. Okay, combinational logic you are going to study today, but you marked it as I will study 3 hours only. So don't do it. Time के terms में मत देखो, content के terms में देखो. See in the content that if you study combinational logic, you have to study combinational logic whole, whether it takes 3 hours or it takes 4 hours. Okay. So measure the target by work, not about the time. Routine up your life. It is the most important discussion at this place, that what is time management, how to routine up your life. Okay, how to routine up for a preparation. How to study effectively. Yes, that thing I am going to discuss at right now. Since I was a working professional, I have seen these situations. So trust me, this is the best thing that works. So let's discuss. Like, what is routine? An average student, okay, let's take a discussion of a working professional and an average guy who is studying only. Okay, there is no other work, he studies only. What a working professional will do and what an average guy will do. An average guy will get up at I think that he will get up at 7. He will study till 9. Okay, and from 10 he will study to 12, and after that 1, 2, I think 3. Then he needs some time to sleep also. Okay, बहुत पढ़ लिया. So from 5 to 7, and then he will see that 6 hours are completed. जहाँ पे 6 hours complete होगा, confidence will be high. या 6 hours completed, बहुत पढ़ लिया. Okay, and the remaining time he can utilize it. Okay, by his own. Now what a working professional, what I did, my dear friends, I was working, so I had to manage time. How I managed time? See, my working duration was 10 to 5:30. 10 to 5:30. Okay, it was this. Now what I did, this time I can't do my work, okay, means self study couldn't be done, so this time is reserved for the office only. Now morning, get up at 6 a.m. sharp 6 a.m. you should be on your table studying, okay, in the study mood till 8:30, okay, till 8:30 to 10 prepare yourself for office and eat, and in the transit, okay, it takes time. Now after 5:30, suppose you reach home by 7, okay, 6:30 or 7, from 7 p.m. dedicate yourself till 9 p.m. in study, okay. After that, have your lunch, have your dinner, okay, and from 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. you have to devote. He also covers 6 hours. I did it. It is very feasible. You can do it, okay. So it is very feasible. You can do it. Now the thing is 1 hour lunch. Do you really eat for 1 hour? No, you don't really eat for 1 hour. It is approximately 15 minutes you eat, okay, in the lunch. So what about those 45 minutes remaining? Should you do gala time over here? No, you don't have to do gala time over here. You just revise your concepts, okay. Since books are not allowed in the working place, so do one thing, take a snapshot of those things which you found difficult or your short notes and just go through it, okay. This is how you have to manage time. So it is actually more effective. You have to be disciplined throughout this, okay. You can't take the leniency. An average guy takes the leniency, but a working professional can't be lenient, because to get something extra out of life, you have to put something extra, and that extra you have to manage at these places, okay. Now my dear friends, working professional के साथ में एक और चीज़ अच्छी होती है, that don't waste your time unnecessarily, okay, while cooking and all that, okay. Eat outside, okay. Eat hygienic, थोड़ा महंगा खा लो, eat hygienic. Don't do cooking and all those, because it will make you tired and it is just going to kill your time, okay. So don't do those things at this place, okay. Sacrifice. What is this sacrifice all about? Sacrifice all about blood? No, it is not that sacrifice. It is the sacrifice that you see your friends going out for a movie, okay, and you don't go because Saturday, Sunday chutti hai. You have to, Saturday, Sunday is a holiday for you, and you have to manage your left out syllabus, okay. So you have to study more on those days. So on Saturday, Sunday you find holiday, so you have a full day with you, okay. So Monday to Friday, that schedule which I told you, okay, and Saturday, Sunday should be in the revision of those Monday to Friday subjects which you studied, okay, and revise as well as give the tests, okay. Revise as well as give the test. Monday to Friday, that schedule. Saturday, Sunday you have whole day with you, so revise and give the test. Can I skip daily study routine and cover all these things on weekend? No, you can't. Means you can't give the best thing on just 2 days, okay. My dear friends, every day you have to put on some efforts. I'll tell you an example, like if 1% extra effort you put on per day, 1% extra effort if you put on one day, okay, so it will be 1.01. Suppose the work is 1% extra you are putting, and you put it on for 365 days. So what is the result? It will be nearly 37. Okay, just keep this thing in mind. And if 1% negligent you are for 365 days, come on, give me the result. What is this? It will come out to 0.02. See the difference of that 1% extra which you stay focused and disciplined throughout an year. Okay. Sir, why can't we study for 14 hours a day? As okay, I also studied 14 hours a day, but actually it is not your daily routine of 14 hours. Okay. It is not actually a daily routine of 14 hours. It is during examination. During examination, last days. Okay. Last days, because at those during those duration you don't have that time to think. You just read and read. Okay. So you don't get time देखने का तो मौका नहीं मिलता. You don't be able to see the watch also, because you have to cover your entire syllabus. You have to revise your entire syllabus, go through the test papers and everything. So you can study 14 hours in the last days. Okay, but 14 hours daily you can't. Practically it is impossible 14 hours per day. Okay, I didn't जो किया होगा it is fine. Okay, I didn't do that much study. Okay, 10 hours per day it is feasible, and you can enjoy 10 hours per day. Okay, so motivate yourself. The only thing that comes between you and your goals is you yourself. Okay, if anyone is stopping you from getting success, is you yourself. Motivate yourself that you can only change the way that you live. You can only change the way people look at you. You can only change the way you want in your life. Okay, suppose you are not feeling motivated. Okay, consult those people, consult those friends, those who have the same thought process as yours, those who have the same goal as yours. I had a friend called Abhishek. Okay, we both prepared simultaneously. We both were in discussion. Okay, in the according to the test also, in the daily classes also, we were having a healthy discussion. We both cleared engineering services. So it is all about the friends which you choose. You don't have to do gala time. You don't have to choose friends, those who make you smile, those who make you laugh. You have to choose those friends, those who will make you and will make you get selected in this in any examination. Okay, for which you are preparing for. Okay. Will a lecture will during last day of exam I complete all my study in. Yes, you can. Okay, so you have to motivate yourself. Prepare the checkpoints and achieve them. Okay, like there are 10 subjects. Okay, the practical thing is how to prepare for any examination. There are 10 subjects. My dear friend, just go through it. It really helps. It really helps. If you want to achieve something, it really helps. Subject, write down the subject, write down that theory. Okay. Questions. Yes. Like subject 1. If there is any subject called subject 1, have you read the theory? Yes, you have read the theory. Just put on a date line. Okay. At this date you were to complete this. Okay. At this date you were to do the questions of it. Okay. Take it. Now if you have defined your targets, okay, checkpoints defined कर दिए हैं कि that in one month you are going to complete these two subjects as well as theory as well as questions both. So 2 subjects are completed in a month. Likewise in RRBJ, now the time is less, so you have to prepare more. Like 4 subjects you prepared. Okay, 4 subjects in 1 month you have to do. So prepare checkpoints and achieve them. Okay, बड़े गोल को शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स में ब्रेक करो. Okay. What should be the target for us in CBT2? In CBT2 there are 100 questions, 100 marks. Your target should be 80 plus, not less than that. Because as I see the competition, for technical I am saying that it should be 80 plus, dear student. RRBJ class timings are the same, dear. But actually today was a general session. So sir will take your classes on the next session. So prepare the checkpoints and achieve them. बड़े गोल को शॉर्ट टर्म्स गोल में ब्रेक कीजिए. Okay. How many test series should we join? You can join as many as test series as you want. You have to solve maximum questions and increase your efficiency. Okay. Give test and evaluate the mistakes. My dear students, those who are working, okay, शाम का टाइम जो होता है after dinner, okay, after dinner you have 2 hours. Give test at that place. Give test and analyze your mistakes. Okay. If you can't do it in the early morning, give 2 hours for yourself, revise, okay, and give tests. So, along with your daily routine of working professional, okay, you have to give tests, you have to make the checkpoints, you have to achieve your short-term goals, okay, you have to be tightened. Really, you have to be just focused that why you opted for it. If you want to quit, just think why you started for it, okay. Revise, revise and revise. My dear friends, if you go through anything at the first sight, if you go through anything, you can't remember it. The 30% of, even if you learned it very wisely, only 30% is going to be retained. So if you revise it for again, it will be 65% you are going to retain. So the more you revise, the more you are going to learn, okay. And in any examination, the cutoff is going to be 70% or 75%. So you have to revise ample number of times so that you can retain 75% of the syllabus or the 75% of the things that you have learned, okay. So revision will be common to both. You have to revise. Never give up because the best is yet to come. This should be the feeling, okay. You don't have to quit. Quitting was never the way, okay. You have to give your best efforts, okay, and you have to just stay focused and motivate yourself that why you started, why you wanted a different thing in life. You had a job, or you are pursuing MTech, or you are pursuing higher studies of any sort. Why you wanted to prepare, okay, because you wanted something best out of life, and for something best out of life you have to put in something extraordinary hard work, extraordinary discipline. My dear friends, patience, discipline, okay, perseverance. If you have these things, you are really going to achieve anything. Means you can achieve those things that you have planned out. Okay, have these things in mind. My dear student, 30% will be offered to you. Okay, actually percentage is not there. The important topics will be taught to you for free. Okay. And if you are working and then you are to achieve something, trust me that God wants something out of you, because God always gives the hardest role to the best actor. Believe that you are the best person, okay, and you have to refine yourself to reach the best extent, okay. My dear friends, now let us take some queries of the people, okay, those who have joined us on the session, so that they feel interactive in this session. Now the general queries I will be taking. How many JEE exams are there? How many JEE exams are there? I'm not getting that. Are you asking for RRB JEE, DMRC JEE, LMRC JEE, or any number? Okay, it is in Power Corporation also. JEEs are there. Cutoff I can't decide. Neither you can decide. Cutoff depends upon the zone, number of forms, okay, and quality of students. Quality of students means that students, okay, that students, those who appeared in that, what is their level, okay, their level of fighting. Cutoff for RRB, cutoff, how can you predict cutoff before writing a examination? Okay. Sir, please suggest if we need to do any other material, or your classes are enough to get a score of 80 out of 100 in the technical paper. My dear students, in the YouTube session we will not be covering all the topics. So if you go for a paid version of it, then definitely you will achieve the best rank, because I had cleared 2 JEE level examinations, I have cleared various PSU examinations, I have cleared this examination also. Okay. And the teacher along with me, okay, he is a renowned person having that experience, according to that experience more than our age, okay, more than our age. So he has the best teaching experience. I have seen some paper, means I have attempted those examinations. So trust me, this is the best version, and you are going to get the best thing with Gradeup. Okay, in the YouTube session, I can't guarantee that you can get 80 marks, because we will not be covering the whole syllabus. We will be covering just the important topics that are required. Okay. How many questions should be done to be in the safe? Questions means if you are a BTech student, okay, and you have already prepared, then you can solve number of questions. Means easily you can achieve in 100 questions, okay, you can solve 90 plus questions easily. 90 plus means 91, 92, 93, just according to that range, or 85 plus is a sure, okay. You have to be at this level. What will the cost of full technical course? That is yet to be decided, okay. The cost and the fee is yet to be decided. Sir, if we personally inquire on the phone calls. Yes, we will be intimating you in the further sessions, okay, about the paid course and the launch of it. Is 2 months enough for RRB CBT 2? Yes, 2 months are more than enough, yeah. 2 months are more than enough for any examination, okay. But in those 2 months, you have to dedicate full-heartedly in that, okay. Don't have any second thought, and believe that the people, those who are teaching you, okay, are best. If you have doubt in your mind, then you will always question, have a question that whether he is teaching correct, whether he is teaching, whether he can make our selections, okay. So don't have that doubt. Trust, then it will happen very easily. So out of 120 minutes, 150 questions. What kind of questions will be? Yes, see my dear friends, 150 minutes, okay, 120 questions, 150 questions, 120 minutes is really a tough fight. Okay, I believe you, is really a tough fight. What should be your approach for those examinations? Okay, shall I discuss it right now? 150 questions are there. Out of this 140 question, 150, 100 questions are from technical, purely technical, okay, and rest 50 questions are from technical, means general aptitude type, okay. In this, you have well-defined syllabus, okay. You have well-defined syllabus. But in this, questions can be randomly from anywhere. You don't have a well-defined syllabus, okay. No well-defined syllabus is there. Means, if I talk about GS, what is the well-defined syllabus of GS? No one knows, okay. So, scoring at this place is very easy. You have to maximize your score at this place and attempt 85 plus, okay. Attempt 85 plus. 85 plus can be easily attempted because the level of questions are good. Means level of questions, if you are from BTech, then it will be low according to you, okay, if you're prepared. So you can easily manage 85 plus. If you have an 85 plus and manage 85 marks out of it, and in this 50 questions, okay, you just do the guesswork and get 30 to 35, okay. 30 to 35 will be the general from this, will be the general score. You have to maximize your score at this place. So take it at around 120, okay. 120 will be 120 marks for means safe side, okay. How many questions? You have to solve at least 120 questions, 120 questions to be safe, okay. Fight is very much, okay. Fight for the competition is very much. So you have to be at the safe place at this, okay. In our paid version, we will be providing PDF, but in the YouTube session, we won't be providing PDF for, means study notes won't be provided. Is it tough for diploma candidates? Who said that? For BTech, actually, they study a wide course, okay. According to them, it is a narrow course, Okay, so it is easy for them, bit easy for them. But even diploma students also crack this examination. I was when I was a JEE, I was working, so different diploma students were along with me also at that place. They also get selected. Okay, so don't feel like the diploma students ka kuch nahi hoga. Diploma students will also be get selected. Okay, you have to prepare. You have to give the same examination as different means BTech students and all MTech and other streams are giving. Okay, you have to just clear those examinations. You have to just focus more on solving questions than focusing on degree which is required. Okay, how to avoid negative marking? Yes, that thing. When you will give a different test, okay, when you will give different tests, then you will be analyzing that how to avoid different negative marking over there. Okay, and how to avoid negative marking? The questions in which you are sure enough, just attempt those. Okay, the questions in which you are very sure that yeah, this is the correct, only then you are going to attempt it. Conceptualized questions in which you are very sure, attempt those. Don't just put the means do guesswork. Okay, and your guesswork can be you can judge it easily from test series. Okay, so give test and analyze whether you are making guesses accordingly, or the guesses you are making will give you a fruitful result or will make you lag. Okay, that thing you have to decide, my dear friends. So not technical, 50 questions. Yes, attempting these 100 questions is a big challenge in terms of time management. Okay, I don't say that you can't complete it. You can complete it, because 100 questions are, if they are present, so accordingly you have to manage your time. That per question you calculate that if it is a theory question, if you know it, take it, else move on. If it is a calculation and it is involving lengthy calculations, leave it, mark it on review. If it is a calculation and you usually done it, means the question which you can solve in one throw should be done first. Okay, and avoid those questions which you don't know and avoiding unnecessary time over there. Okay, wasting unnecessary time at that place. So do that thing. Virtual calculator allowed ho to numericals will be more. No, it is actually in RRB JEE, I don't expect that numericals will be more than 50%. Okay, not more than 50% there will be numericals. So even if the numerical comes, its level will be that easy, means only some calculations will be required. Okay, not lengthy calculations. Okay. Cutoff, I can't decide before examination, neither you can decide before examination. How much we expect from your lecture, sir? From my lecture, in the paid you can expect 85 plus or 90 plus. Okay, from Gradeup you can expect 90 plus from following the lectures. Okay, but from YouTube I can guarantee that 30 questions approximately you can solve it. Okay, we will be covering that. 30 questions you can solve it from this. How much can we expect from your lecture? It is over. What is the level of numericals? I already told you the level of numericals will be that only, that requires only 1 minute, not more than that. Okay, equivalent resistance, equivalent inductance, capacitance, okay, current, voltage across a branch, that will be asked. So it requires hardly 1 minute. Okay, you will see in our paid courses and that how to solve very easily all those. Okay, we will be giving you tricks over that. Okay. Sir, is PSU की vacancy? No, actually I don't have any notification of JEE with GATE. Okay, the cost of paid lecture, I don't means the paid lecture when it is yet to be launched. Okay, it will be launched shortly, so you will be intimated for it. How to improve accuracy? Yeah, to improve accuracy, one thing is I already told that you have to give the test. Okay, and you have to judge you yourself have to judge that whether if you are guessing whether it is coming as positive or it is making you lag behind. Okay, so that guess you have to work and analyze on the mistakes. See, while giving test, if anything that you are not remembering, so make a sheet of paper, have a sheet of paper and write the mistakes and revise those things only. Okay, that is how you are going to avoid. सर जी बुक नहीं पढ़ा था, फॉर्मूला देख के लेक्चर देख के कितना स्कोर आ सकता है सर जी, प्लीज रिप्लाई. या एक्चुअली इन RRB JEE you have to cover the conceptual wise questions also. So you have to study books. Okay, few books you have to study, because I have gone through many RRBJ books that are available in the market. Okay, none of them have provided a complete solution. Complete solution means none of them have completed the complete syllabus. Okay, complete syllabus is not been published with any of the authors, okay, or any of the publications. Some details, yeah, the details about the paid courses will be told you in the upcoming sessions. Okay, from which date will the paid courses start? The paid courses will start from 22nd of this month. Okay, some details about the paid lectures. Paid lectures will be starting from 22nd of July. Okay, you can follow at that. Open Gradeup, then you will come to have if the paid courses launch, then price and everything will be shown to you at that place. Sir, book name for RRBJ? Actually, I can't say the book name, but the different authors are, you know, better in the market. Okay, like, okay, you can follow them. You can follow them, solve as many number of questions as you want. Okay, but in many of them, actually the answers and the study material is not that proper. Okay, the questions are not that proper. Yes, in Gradeup, follow Gradeup app, because all the syllabus, the whole of the syllabus, the questions are available at that place. Okay, if you follow Gradeup, then complete study means at least the questions you are going to know from that place. Okay, you can expect CBT2 approximately near this date, 15th of September. You can expect nearly. Okay, it's expectation, na? So, BTech students can apply for RRBJ examinations. Yeah, BTech students can apply for RRBJ examinations, but I don't know about that Uttarakhand SSC JEE. Okay. So, dear friends, it was all that I wanted to discuss with you. A working professional has to put something extra hard work, extra patience, because you are doing some job and you have to go to other, so it requires some extra efforts. So stay tuned, do hard work, stay focused. You are going to surely make it in the examination. Okay, thank you for joining Gradeup, and rest of the queries will be, you can post it on a Gradeup app. Thank you.